Hello guys, welcome back to Yelan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Paramount Plus error code 3005. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there's a few things that you could do here, so in this case, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you could do here is if you're using the application or mobile application or just the application for Paramount Plus, the first thing you need to do here is you first have to ensure that you have the latest version or you have the application actually updated. Sometimes not having an updated application could cause this issue. In this case, you could go ahead and open up Google Play Store or the App Store and see if there are any updates and make sure to install it. Now in this case, if you're using your browser and you receive this error code, there are going to be a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you have to ensure that you are using a supported browser. So typically, browsers that Paramount Plus actually supports are the mainstream browsers. So that includes Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and a lot more. So they also support Opera if I'm not mistaken. So in this case, make sure that you're using the supported browsers of Paramount Plus. Now in this case, once you're guaranteed that you're using the supported browser for Paramount Plus, make sure that you have the browser updated. Now in this case, if you're using Google Chrome, typically you just need to visit their settings. So go ahead and click on the 3-bar icon at the top right, go to settings, and from here just go to the about section here, and it will automatically update itself. Now in this case, once the update is complete, restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now if this doesn't solve your issue, you need to clear your cookies or cache. So to do that, you need to click on the 3-dotted icon at the top right of your screen, click on settings, and from here go to the privacy and security section, click on clear browsing history, and from here make sure that cookies and cache images is actually selected, and also site settings, and just click on clear data. Now once you've done that, go ahead and restart your browser and see if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve your issue, then most likely the issue itself is from your account. Now to do that, for you to fix that, you need to contact support. So go to help.paramountplus.com to access their help center. In this case, we need to start contacting support. So in this case, go to the option that says contact us at the bottom right here. And from here, it should redirect you to the contact us page. In this case, you want to choose the appropriate one here. So in this case, go ahead and choose technical issues. And from here, we want to choose app not working or crashing. In this case, choose the option that says still need help, and from here, choose the appropriate option here. You could either contact them via Facebook, X, or Instagram, or you could call them to the following numbers here. In this case, choose whatever means that you want to contact them. In this case, go ahead and have a conversation with them reporting that your Paramount Plus account or your Paramount Plus application that you have is giving you this error for 3005. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Yelan app. Thank you for watching.